Why your brain fog might actually be an iron deficiency. If you have recently struggled with persistent fatigue, felt lightheaded during exercise, or experienced a sudden sense of brain fog, the culprit might not be stress or lack of sleep. It could be a nutritional deficiency, specifically a lack of iron. Iron is a critical mineral that performs much more than just transporting oxygen in your blood. It is a fundamental component of neurological health, influencing how your brain produces energy, protects nerve fibers, and communicates through chemical signals. The neurological impact. Beyond physical fatigue, while many associate iron deficiency with physical weakness, its impact on the brain can be profound. According to neurologist Dr. Taylor Hess, iron plays a vital role in several key neurological processes. Neurotransmitter production. Iron is essential for creating chemical messengers like dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine. These chemicals regulate your mood, motivation, and emotional stability. Nerve signal efficiency. Iron helps maintain the protective coating around nerve fibers, ensuring that electrical signals travel smoothly throughout the brain. Executive functioning. Because iron interacts closely with dopamine, a deficiency can impair your management system, the cognitive skills required to plan, focus, and multitask. Common cognitive symptoms: when iron levels drop, the brain becomes less efficient. Patients often report symptoms that mimic other conditions, such as reduced attention spans and difficulty concentrating, slower processing speeds, feeling slow in conversations or tasks, memory issues, such as walking into a room and forgetting why you are there, mood fluctuations, including increased irritability and anxiety. Note, while these cognitive symptoms are often reversible once iron levels are restored, researchers are still investigating the long-term implications of chronic deficiency on brain health. Why certain groups are at higher risk. Iron deficiency is widespread, but it does not affect everyone equally. Certain biological and lifestyle factors increase the risk. Biological factors. Women are disproportionately affected due to blood loss during menstrual cycles and the increased iron demands of pregnancy and childbirth. Dietary choices. Those following plant-forward or vegan diets may struggle to meet iron requirements through non-heme, plant-based sources alone. Physical activity. Endurance athletes are at a higher risk due to the high physiological demands of their training. How to properly test for deficiency. A common mistake in medical diagnostics is relying solely on a hemoglobin test via a standard complete blood count. While hemoglobin measures the iron in your red blood cells, it is a late-stage indicator. To catch a deficiency early, experts recommend asking for a ferritin test. Ferritin measures your body's actual iron stores. Your stores can deplete significantly, causing brain fog and fatigue long before your hemoglobin levels drop enough to be classified as anemia. You should advocate for ferritin testing if you experience unexplained persistent fatigue or hair shedding, difficulty concentrating or sudden mood changes, heavy menstrual cycles, pregnancy or postpartum status. Strategies for increasing iron intake. If a deficiency is identified, registered dietitian Jennifer Pallian suggests a food-first approach to replenishment. Prioritize bioavailability. Iron comes in two forms: heme, found in animal products, and non-heme, found in plants. Heme iron is much more easily absorbed by the body. High heme sources: red meat, poultry, fish, and seafood. Non-heme sources: legumes, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Optimize absorption. If you rely on plant-based iron, you can boost its effectiveness by pairing it with vitamin C, such as citrus or tomatoes, which helps convert iron into a more absorbable form. Avoid iron blockers. Certain substances can inhibit your body's ability to absorb iron. To maximize efficiency, avoid consuming the following at the same time as your iron-rich meals: coffee and tea, dairy products, chocolate. Timing matters. Absorption may be more effective in the morning, when levels of hepcidin, hormone that regulates iron absorption, are typically lower. Important note: if dietary changes are insufficient, supplements may be necessary. However, always consult a physician to determine the correct dosage and avoid common side effects like constipation or diarrhea. Conclusion: Iron deficiency is a silent contributor to cognitive decline and emotional instability. By monitoring ferritin levels and optimizing nutrient absorption, you can address the root cause of brain fog and restore mental clarity.